In this video I'll show you how to drill bigger holes in tiles for putting the likes of pipes through. So what we need, cordless drill, a diamond hole saw. You can pick these up quite cheap on Amazon, so I'll put a link in the description below to them. You need a spade bit that's just slightly bigger than the hole saw. An offcut of plasterboard or plywood or MDF, anything like that. Right, put the spade bit in the drill and drill a hole through the plasterboard. Right, I've switched now to the hole saw, and that's where I want to drill my hole. So just line up the hole in the plasterboard over the crossing the tile. If you try to use that just on that, it'd spin all over the place. So this just keeps it central. So it's getting there. And that's how you drill a bigger hole in tiles. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.